What's something your parents told you as a kid that you now realize was a lie? My parents divorced when I was a toddler. In grade school, when I understood the concept of divorce better, I asked my parents why they split up. My dad once said he and mom couldn't get along but seemed irritated by the subject, so I didn't bring it up again. My mom told me that people change over time, and eventually she and dad became two different people who didn't love each other anymore. She assured me it was never my fault, and that both she, along with dad, would always love me. When I became an adult, certain events led me to digging around family history, and I eventually had to confront my mother for answers. In truth, while I wasn't the cause of my parents' divorce, I had a role in it. My dad was emotionally abusive to my mother for years. She was miserable and lonely until she had me. At one point, she realized that while I was safe at the time, I could eventually become a target for my father's anger in the future. To protect me, mom left dad and filed for divorce.